Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make a tasty chocolate popcorn. This is a combination of sweet and salty flavor. Continue watching to find out how I make this popcorn. Make this popcorn, I'll be using 1 scoop of corn kernel. I'll be using milk chocolate, so I'm going to grate it into smaller pieces. You can also use melted chocolate. Chocolate I will set aside. I've already preheated my pan, so I'll be adding a tablespoon of oil. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. Add the corn kernel and stir to mix properly. Also add some salt to give it flavor. Then I'll stir to mix together. When I'm done mixing, I will cover the pan and lower the heat and allow the corn to pop. Notice that the popping sound has reduced. I will carefully shake the pan with the lid on so that the remaining corn will pop. At this stage, turn off the heat. Warm, add the grated chocolate. It will help the popcorn to stick on the chocolate. You can also use melted chocolate for this. Then I will stir to combine. You can add more chocolate depending on your taste. And see how easy it is to make this chocolate popcorn. It has a combination of chocolate taste and salty flavor. I hope that this video is helpful, and thank you all for watching.